Your goal, your ultimate goal should be to make your viewers feel like, if I am getting so much free information, what more can I get from this person if I were to pay them for their services? So at that point, it would be a no-brainer for the viewer to pay you for your expertise, your knowledge, and your skills. Hey ladies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shamiso Miranda and this channel is all things INFJ entrepreneurship and INFJ careers. If you'd like to find opportunities that are best suited to your personality type, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. Let's dive in. In this video, INFJ best careers, I'm going to show you 3 tips for millennials how to make easy passive income by starting a YouTube channel. Ultimately, the fastest way to make money on YouTube is to give value. Uploading videos and just hoping for the best is simply just not enough. New channels should aim to publish around 15 to 20 keyword research videos within a specific niche. This will give the YouTube algorithm enough data to pick up on what your viewer habits are and what they would like to see more of, so that you can use that data to create the rest of your videos, because the algorithm follows the viewers. So YouTube will only promote things that they know viewers are enjoying. After gradually attracting your target audience, you can then occasionally, periodically pitch your consulting services or your business, your whatever that you have going on. My first tip is that you have to choose a niche that is specific to your individual values, your morals, your passion, your skills, your experience, and your expertise. So for example, I once worked for Debenhams. Debenhams in the UK is a department store. I worked in their lingerie department as a bra fitter, right? So whilst I was there, I had to fit so many women, help them find the perfect size bra, all different shapes, sizes. I got to learn about the different bra options and all that good stuff. So this is knowledge that I've already acquired. So if I wanted to, I could make use of this knowledge and experience that I have already gathered. So in just a second, I'm going to share my screen with you and show you something that I could be doing with those skills and those knowledge that I gained during my time as a bra fitter. So if you hop on YouTube and you type in the search bar bra fitter, with my bra fitting knowledge, I could create a YouTube channel and make videos about the different types of bras, how to bra fit, and all that good stuff. There are millions of views, which means there's a market for it. There are people out there that genuinely want to know. There are women that are looking for how to get the perfect size bra, or maybe they're looking for a nursing bra. Some people are looking for sports bras. Some people are looking for push-up bras, and all these people require something. So you really have to take some time out to do some soul searching to find out what experiences have you been through, what odd jobs have you been forced to take on, and what did you learn from those jobs that you could leverage into a YouTube channel now. Totally different, which leads me on to my second tip. So my second tip is that you have to identify your audience. You have to know who you are targeting. Who is your target audience? What does your target market look like? You have to get into the mind and habits of your target audience. As I was just saying, someone that is looking for a maternity bra is going to be different to a 13-year-old looking for their first bra. Also, the lady that is looking for a push-up bra has completely different needs and wants than the lady that is looking for sports bras. And these are all niches that are within lingerie, within a bra fitting. So you really have to know who you want to target. Who do you want to watch your videos? Because knowing your target audience and how to reach them is one of the most important steps in creating a small business strategy. You have to do research to find out what is the route and what are the needs of your target viewer. Also, you have to know the factors that influence their buying behaviors, because as millennial women, we are influenced by our peers. We like to get a recommendation before you go ahead and purchase something. You want to see that product on your favorite celebrity, on somebody that you look up to. So you have to know who are these people looking up to so that you can provide content for them that they are going to resonate with. And if you are marketing to everyone, you are essentially marketing to no one. Once you have identified the demand and validated your niche, then it's time to reverse engineer and start with the end in mind. So my third tip is reverse engineer. So starting with the end in mind, we are looking to transition from our corporate jobs into entrepreneurship, and we have identified YouTube as an avenue to do so. So once you get on YouTube, you have to explore what are the possibilities that are presented on YouTube. So once you come onto YouTube, you have this platform where you are able to reach your target customer in your chosen and specific niche. So one thing about YouTube is that people feel like you need millions of subscribers and millions of views to be able to make an income from YouTube, which is not true. To be a successful creator on YouTube, you do not need millions of subscribers and millions of viewers. All you need to be successful on YouTube is 1,000 true fans. When I say true fans, these are your die-hard fans, as in the type of people that can drive 2 hours to come and watch you perform. The type of fans that will buy everything that you put out. These are the people that you need. You have to build a community of like-minded people who enjoy the things that you enjoy and they resonate with you, your message, and your vibe. So I have a free download for you today. I have 12 income streams that you can achieve from your YouTube channel or social media platform. Go ahead and check it out. The link is down in the description below. So from that list, you have to choose the monetization methods that you are most comfortable with. You have to pick the ones that you know you can do. So for example, if you are somebody that enjoys writing, maybe you could write an ebook, or you could publish a book and then sell that to your audience. So once you have established your 1,000 true fans and you have selected the method of monetization that best suits your unique personality and your morals, your values, and your skills and all of that, you can take a step further and really dive deep into what does that mean for you. Starting with the end in mind could look like something like this. So if you created an online course and then you went ahead to sell this online course for $97, if all 1,000 of your true fans bought your online course, then you would earn $97,000. And it literally really is that simple. You do not need hundreds of thousands of millions of subscribers and followers to be a successful YouTube creator. Now, I want to break that down even further. So let's say in the first year, you're only able to sell 250 courses. That means you would have earned 24,250 based on the 1,000 true fans buying your course. 24,000 is a lot of money. And in this first year, you're still getting used to how to make videos, what type of content to create. You're still gaining clarity on your message and how you want to progress in your business. So the following year, the next year, you're getting better with your messaging, you're getting better with your marketing, your editing, your keywords research, everything. You're really getting good at those, and you are working with the algorithm to determine which videos are performing best and what your viewers want to see more of from you. So in the second year, you sell 500 online courses. That means you earn 48,500 in the whole year. So that is a lot of money. By the time you're in your second year of YouTube, you should have been able to get monetized. So you have money coming in from YouTube ads. And you may also have had one or two brands reach out to pay you to make content for them. And also, you should have dabbled in some affiliate marketing by your second year, so that you're starting to get some kickbacks from that. So this 48,500 would just be based on your online course sales. So it's 48,000 plus. So essentially, hypothetically speaking, if you make $1,000 per month from YouTube AdSense, and then from sponsored videos, another 2,000, and from affiliate marketing, let's say 800 or 1,000. That is more money that is coming to you per year. And finally, in your third year, you have really mastered your craft, you have experience, you have the knowledge, and you have invested in your education as a creator, and you have networked with your peers in the YouTube industry. Now, in your third year, you're finally able to sell 1,000 online courses at $97 per course, which means you have earned $97,000 for this year. That is a lot of money, sis. That is a full-time income. Comment down below and let me know if you could live comfortably with $97,000 a year. Now, I'm not saying that any of this is easy, because creating content is very difficult, because you are your own boss. You have to motivate yourself, and you have to be consistent, and you have to really get to know your viewers and find out what it is they want to see from you. And then you have to provide that for them on a consistent basis. And it's not easy to get to learn about shooting videos, lighting, microphone sounds, and all of that. But it is worth it, and it is doable, and you can absolutely do this too. If you'd like to schedule a free one-on-one discovery call, I have a link down in the description below, because this is something that all of us can be doing, and it's something so specific, and that's what makes it more appealing for the INFJ and introverted types, because we get to work in our own environment at our own pace. We get to work when we feel like it, and you get to work on something that is meaningful to you. Now, go and watch this video next for more on all things INFJ entrepreneur and INFJ careers. And I'll see you in my next one as we continue our journey towards a more wholesome, healthier, and more meaningful lifestyle.